We did not see tires burning, obstruction of roads, vandalizing of shops, destruction of cars. What the second thing I want to tell this generation is thank you for your respect. Thank you very much. The third thing that we'd like to say is your anger and your frustration is valid. It is valid. So as Nairobi Chapel Ngong Road, we join you to say no. This is because we are fed up with the status quo and we are fed up with empty promises. We are fed up with indiscipline and the exorbitant expenditure and careless financial management that we see. But what we're saying is, Gen Z, what we're saying is, thank you for your honesty. Thank you for your honesty. Now, to our government, we humbly say, we condemn the heavy-handed response of the security forces. Their arbitrary arrests, and most importantly, the loss of a precious life. And we want to appeal that justice will prevail. To our government, we humbly ask that you listen. Take a humble posture. Stop chest thumping. Because these too are citizens of this country that deserve the respect of even our government. To this generation, we speak to you the words that Paul spoke to Timothy. Paul, speaking to the next generation, told Timothy these words: do not let anyone look down on you because you are young. But